Manny cam. Let him know what's up, Manny.
El carro.
Hey, this.
Yeah.
Got the pointer today? What'd you do? Oh, you blocked it off. Oh, nice.
Weight reduction.
Yeah, it never rains over here anyway, so.
See that little thing right there?
Yeah.
They just pop off this little top down here.
Oh, okay.
And you access the back of the motor.
And that's how you get it? Oh, that's what this little cover is here for?
That's what it's for.
Oh, dang, cool. What else did you guys do? I know you guys were working on it Sunday or something.
Took the injector.
Injector harness tucked. You guys installed the slim fan. Big ass fan.
Oh yeah, the intake's gotta go.
Why?
We what were we doing? We're bleeding the coolant.
Yeah.
And it was just idling super fucking weird.
We were waiting for it to turn on, right, the fan.
Yeah.
And the intake was like choking it. I guess this thing's like too
it's too dirty.
Oh, what the hell?
Yeah,
I mean, no shit. I bet it's supposed to be red and it's black.
It's COVID, you know? It's COVID.
Really? Yeah, yeah. It's COVID, yeah.
It was normal the whole time.
It's kind of like us wearing masks.
Yeah. Nice.
Oh, and then that.
What?
The clutch adjustment.
Oh, what'd you do?
The hose was hitting this thing right here. This hose was contacting this. So we trimmed the hose so you got clearance, and then the slim fan.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So I adjusted this.
I still remember when they did the swap. They fucking Mickey Moused it.
Everything we did was at night, fool.
Yeah.
I couldn't see it.
Go back to old videos.
Oh, and then the throttle cable too. There was like hella slack.
So you
was like
fixed
nice and good.
Yeah, you're over here giving them all the horsepower.
This is all,
all the good stuff.
One-stop shop.
One-stop shop.
Clutch 100 now.
Oh, and then you guys installed this because this wasn't on here last time.
The nitro. No.
Oh yeah, no. Yeah.
Next video.
Next video. Undershot.
What?
Under the manifold, you know, some light. He said. I'm surprised you haven't painted the valve cover yet. The red looks ugly.
That's what we were talking about the other day too. We think about what color to do.
Black,
gray.
just for now, or gray. Yeah.
Like a gunmetal, maybe.
Oh, I think I have gray wrinkle at home actually. I go get it.
Maybe. Or like
I think. Because there's a gray wrinkle. You seen it? I did it to my valve cover a while back. I think I still have a little bit.
It actually
like a
looks
dark gray though, right?
It looks kind of like Mugen.
Yeah. Not as dark, but it's light, but it's similar. Yeah. Mugen schmugen. So today they're gonna put the windshield on, and we finally get to go cruise it around. Oh, and the spoons are back on.
No, we're bleeding the brakes.
Oh, we're bleeding the brakes.
Check this out here.
Let me see.
Yeah,
If you can't see to the bottom, that's no good. You know? Can you see to the bottom?
Hell no, that thing looks like coffee. Looks like some dark roast.
Yeah, that's no good.
That's no bueno. All right, so we're bleeding the brakes. The cool wheels are back on. I don't want y'all talking about them Mugans and shit. Nah, no. These look way harder. Look at this.
That does look sportier though.
Yeah.
Money truck. That's the money truck right there.
Ahorita me va a dar la madre.
I gotta close the hood.
Quedó. No, sí, ya nomás el vidrio y...
Quedó como de catálogo.
So the glass guy is here. Gonna put that windshield on, and then we could drive the car again. Yes, sir.
So it's just like a primer down, right?
Yeah, they primed it, prepped it. Now they're getting ready to put it on.
That's cool how the seals are already on there.
Already on the glass? Yeah.
I love that.
Fresh rubbers.
That's a big deal. It makes that car complete.
Yeah.
Because otherwise, like the other seal, remember the seal you had? It was like cracked and then it was like
It was like 3 pieces too.
Yeah,
I
super
noticed.
faded.
Yeah.
So fresh molding on fresh paint.
Yeah. And then we got the retrofitted, or the aftermarket,
There and here.
the window sills. Yeah. These are from where? The UK, right? Where are they from?
Taiwan.
Taiwan. Yeah. And then getting done.
I've never seen that. That's old stuff.
Dang, easy peasy. That's it.
It doesn't have it.
What did the EF guy say?
I don't know.
Say it.
Nah, say
There's something right here, right? Does it have the Honda thing? Oh, my bad.
Honda Shimano, it's fucking glass. Finally got the glass installed. Shout out to the guys from Futura Glass. Local dudes here in Escondido. Hit them up. Did a good ass job. Didn't scratch anything, didn't break anything. Oof, look at that seal. Boom. Oh, almost ran into this bush. What's the trick? You let it soak in?
Yeah. That's what he always uses.
Armor All Extreme Tire Shine. Let this shit soak in the sun. Dab it on
You're supposed to
hard.
be using what? What's the Honda one?
Oh, Ichinutsu grease or whatever, however you pronounce it.
Specific one?
Nah.
You use this one and let it dry it off.
Yeah,
Let it
looks just
soak
as
in,
good.
dry it off, and it works really good. Just that most people don't use it because it does get really covered in dust, right?
Yeah.
And if you don't wipe it off, it will get covered in dust. ¿Qué pedo? Documentaries.
Probably do it with the blade, wait.
Yeah, the rest is like a metal liner. So it won't fit with this one. I think it's metal.
But this is an aftermarket seal right here, and you pretty much install it, and you cut to your size. I'm guessing it's for sedans and.
I think I'll take it
fucking-
off and then do it with the other one. It's like a metal thing inside.
Oh, okay.
So this is plastic. I thought it was all plastic.
Oh, so you
It's
thought
like
you were
a
just gonna
metal
cut
piece
it?
inside. And I gotta use a big
Okay.
stick.
Oh, it looks nice though, man. Trims do a big difference. Huh?
Fly off.
One side is on,
Yeah.
trimmed up to the end.
Should I do a little snip though, damn thing? A little
I-
cleaner or what?
Yeah, I think you should snip it to this, no? To this body line right here. It's like a,
Cool things that
right? What y'all think? Should he leave it like this? No, right? It should line up to this body line. Like, shoot. You need companies like this. I know a lot of EF guys are against people making replica, quote unquote replica products and stuff, but what happens when you can't get this stuff anymore?
They're both kind of the same. I think they're both like the same.
Same lip.
Yeah. In and out.
Yeah, it's better like this, flush to the body. I think you need to cut that one a little bit. Here are they on. I don't know how they're supposed to stay on. Do you just leave them in there? I feel like the wind would take them or something.
Yeah.
Maybe put a little silicone or something. So we just bled the brakes on Josue's car. Look at how nasty they were. Low maintenance, man. Just trying to get this thing driving clean. Got the spoons back. Still those stock brakes, SI ones. I think he's gonna upgrade them eventually and do rear disc conversion as well. But there it is. We're gonna go take it for a spin. I think this time it'll actually stop because the brakes are super squishy.
Follow you.
Put your seatbelt on, dummy. Yeah.
What's the retail on one of those?
Brakes is gas, yo.
I told you.
Yeah, we're gonna need to upgrade those. The bled helped a little bit, but not really.
Not really.
Yeah. You're the first person that's seen the car since we brought. Well, this is the first time we brought it out. Thoughts? Keep it 1,000.
Keep one. See, now you got me on the spotlight. Nah, she came out sick. I mean, y'all body shop, y'all motherfuckers got body shops, and this one got a garage. Like,
You know what I mean? Come on,
man.
come on. You can't even talk shit. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those, you know.
I mean, I like to see my homies do good. That's all.
Right?
Nah, yeah, look, came out good.
Who's next though? Javi's next. Look at Carlos peeping the whip.
He's already.
Look.
He's already looking.
Is this next or what? All the boys gotta be riding clean. Javi's the only one left. What you thinking?
I'm looking at all the.
You're looking at all the flaws?
All the sanding I'm gonna have to do.
Oh, Carlos redid these wheels for him. Wet Sports, badass wheel, super good specs. Came out here, maiden voyage, get some coffee in Encinitas. Here it is, nothing fell off, nothing broke. Javi's been doing what you did. He's been collecting parts, just waiting for that paint job.
Wait, so it's a whole glass?
Yeah, this is the whole piece.
They don't sell this separate?
Nah, unfortunately not.
You got most of the trim now though, right, Javi?
Yeah, I have the front windshield, I have these. I think I still need to order these and this. And then this, I would have to get a new hatch.
Yeah. I mean, I think Carlos could refinish this though. He's got
But
some.
I would want to get a new one.
Yeah.
Just because some of the defroster lines are like cut up.
Oh, the
and
glass,
that's it.
yeah.
And then like you see there's still like tint right there and it's a bitch to get out.
Oh, yeah, I see.
So I was already kind of planning maybe to get one.
Another hatch?
Yeah, but without the third brake light.
Oh, Type R, right? Or
I think
something?
it's Type R.
Yeah. Javi's also had this car since I've met him. So Javi and Josue have had their cars pretty long.
Oh
yeah.
Because the sound deadening and yada.
Yeah. I just
Yada,
didn't.
yada.
I just haven't because I mean there's no point. Plus, like I throw shit in the back. But when I finally do,
Next project probably here, maybe soon. Just front, and he wants to go J front. I say go back to 94, 97. What do you think, Carlos?
Can you have both options?
Oh, 94. Yeah, like I can swap back to this, just the bumpers.
Right.
But like to me, it's just like you can like. Yeah, I've seen a lot of like well built, like fucking
J front
budget,
cars?
fucking USDM front.
Oh,
and it only
gotcha.
looks like so good.
Yeah.
When you got the J front, you got different lip options,
Bumpers.
you got different fenders, bumpers. You
True.
got the, like housing lights.
Yeah.
The US
like
only has this, huh?
yeah,
Yeah.
the US only has this. As far
Okay.
as lights. So it's
I
like,
get what
fuck,
you're
I'm
getting
putting all
at.
that money and it's gonna look like just
Like every other one?
yeah.
Yeah.
Like every other one.
True. You can't really sauce it up, huh? But yeah, man, we don't build these cars for track use or fucking show car use. We literally just get some pinches cafecitos, just cafecitos, cruise around, you know, the coast.
So it's like the design of the
Just
bumper
cruisers, man.
is like really forward. Like it's hard to get the bumper to line up. It's like the metal brake. Once the tabs break.
How many people drive that?
I think that one color is gonna stay, bro. I like
think
it.
so too.
Yeah. At first we were iffy about it, but I think it's a good look with no black. Oh yeah, those moldings are gonna come in soon, so you guys are gonna see it.
Yeah, it's that bulky side molding too.
Yeah.
Once you paint that, I don't know, it ain't it.
It ain't it. Came out sick though, man. You haven't even driven the car in a while.
This is probably my third time I've driven this in the past year and a half.
Fuck.
Third time literally. Yeah.
Yep. Yeah, something about cruising the coast, man. Living in San Diego, that's what it's
Something
about.
else.
You see hot rods, exotics, low riders, classics. I don't know, just everything on the coast. It's a vibe. A lot of people wonder why these cars are so low or why they look the way they look. They're just cruisers, man. We don't really race them. We fuck around every now and then, but it ain't nothing like serious. You know, we just have fun with them. They're cars, man. You don't take any of the shit with you. You might as well drive it and enjoy it for what it is. Most of y'all, or some of y'all online, etc., etc. You guys care too much. You guys need to really be outside and enjoying them. you know.
Drinking coffee.
Yeah, drinking some coffee or whatever choice of drink you like, you know.